So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you top 4 best meme coins here, top 4 trending meme coins here. These meme coins are right now trending here and make a massive pump here. Okay, so that's why videos can be very special, very important. You have to just for the computer and make sure to like video and subscribe the channel. So friends, our first meme coin is Maga Hit. Okay, this is a Politify, a parody meme coin here. Okay, here you can see coin has currently 3 zeros in its price. Price is pumped by almost 12% in the last 24 hours. So that's amazing. $108 million market cap, $53 million trading volume in last 24 hours. That's amazing. Total supply is 413 billion coin, 410 billion coin in circulations. That's good. Okay, supply is good. Coin is working on Ethereum chain. Okay, and here you can see on Etherscan this meme coin is 19,000 holders. Okay, 19,000 holders. The number of holders awesome because this is a newly launched meme coin. Just a month ago this meme coin was launched here. Okay, and since it's launching we are almost 500% up. Okay, and meme coin has already killed 1 0. As I already told you, this is a Polify meme coin on Ethereum chain, and these categories meme coin will perform really amazing near November. Okay, because of US elections here, meme coin is already listed on Gate.io, BingX, CoinX. Okay, MEXC2, many central exchanges has already listed this meme coin, and maybe in coming months maybe we can see its major central exchange listing. Okay, maybe Bybit, KuCoin, or these type of central exchanges can also list this coin, and after that maybe we can see its market cap up to $1 billion here. Okay, it's possible that we can see Maga Head market cap, okay, near November up to $1 billion here. Right now this meme coin is also trending here. I will show you. Okay, you can see trending coins. Okay, trending coins. So Maga Head is right now trending on CoinGecko, so that's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin here. First, the second meme coin is Sacred. Okay, it's a Skrill plus Red meme coin. Okay, Skrill and Red combined meme coin. So that's why this very unique meme coin. Just 3 days ago, this meme coin was launched here, and then just 3 days of its launching, meme coin has gained 50, almost $50 million market cap. So that's why this is amazing. $11.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Okay, a coin is working on Solana blockchain. Okay, Solana chain, and here you can see on Solana scan coin is 5,000 holders. Okay, more than 5,000 holders. Okay, so number of holders good because this no old meme coin. Okay, just 3 days ago this meme coin was launched, and within just 3 days of its launching, coin has gained 5,000 holders. That's amazing. 3 days ago this meme coin has make its all-time high from we are just 36% down, and its all-time low was just 19 hours ago from where we are 47% up here. Coin is already listed on Gate.io, MEXC, BingX, LBank, XT.com, CoinX, Bitget, and Poloniex exchange. Okay, within just 3 days of its launching, this meme coin is right now listed on more than 7 cent like exchanges. Okay, trading volume is good, $50 million market cap in 3 days. That's amazing. Okay, plus Red plus Skrill concept meme coin. So that's why very unique. Maybe in coming months we can see is many other major central exchange listing for this meme coin, and after that maybe we can see its market cap up to $1 billion here. And first you can see trending coin. Okay, trending coin, and right now this meme coin is also trending on CoinGecko, so that's amazing. Okay, so community is very active for this meme coin. Okay, you can see secretary is right now trending on CoinGecko, so that's amazing. First, number third trending meme coin is Land Wolf. I share already this meme coin with you. Okay, you can see Land Wolf and $0.012 current price, and this price is dropped by 22% in last 7 days and 8% for last 24 hours. So that's good. That maybe this can be the good buying opportunity for us. Market cap is $129 million. That's good. $7.6 billion trading volume. Okay, 9.9 billion coin supply all in circulation. That is amazing. Coin is working on Solana chain. That is good. Okay, and here you can see number of holders also good. 35,000. Okay, more than 35,000 holders, so that's amazing friends. More than 35,000 holders, and this meme coin is also you can see just 10 days old only. Okay, only 10 days ago this meme coin make its all-time low. Okay, so that's why this meme coin is very amazing. Within just 10 days of its launching, meme coin is with 35,000 holders. That's amazing. You can see Solana meme coin. and this is also a mat free character meme coin, so that's why there's another massive narrative for this meme coin. Okay, and this meme coin is not pump huge here. You can see we are just 41% down the initial time high and only 48% up the initial time low, so coin has lot of pump to do in future. Okay, and here you can see MEXC, Gatro, Tayo, BingX, these centralized exchanges has already listed this coin, but in coming months maybe we can see is many other major centralized exchange listing, and after that maybe we can see its market cap up to $1 billion here. Right now $129 million market cap, but in coming months maybe we can see its market cap in $1 billion. And this meme coin is also trending on CoinGecko right here. Okay, you can see trending coin. Okay, trending coin, and this is trending here. You can see Landwolf also trending live on CoinGecko here. So friends, number 4 trending meme coin is Pipey coin. Okay, 86% pump in last 24 hours, so that's amazing. Coin has currently 6 zeros in its price. Okay, and this meme coin is working on Ethereum chain, $96 million market cap already. Okay, and this meme coin is also very newly launched meme coin. Last 24-hour trading volume is amazing, $136 million trading volume, so this is amazing friends. 420 trillion supply all in circulation. Okay, and I can see coin is working on Ethereum chain, and on Etherscan 20,000, more than 20,000 holders, and its holders are continuously increasing here, so that's amazing. And this is also Frog theme meme coin. Okay, and just 20 days ago we make a all time high from where we are just 14% down only. Okay, only 14% down, and we are 367% up the all time low. Coin has already killed 1 0. Okay, just 2 days ago this meme coin has make a all time low, and right now it start pumping, and maybe in coming few hours we can see its new all time high also. Okay, coin is already listed on Gate.io, CoinX, Bitmar, CoinW, Lbank, xt.com. Too many central exchanges has already listed this coin, and right now this meme coin is also trending here. Okay, you can see trending meme coin. Okay, so Pipey coin is also trending here, and this meme coin I think can be the next really $1 billion market cap meme coin, and maybe we can see this meme coin to still give us 500 to maybe 1000x profit here. So friends, these were the top 4 base meme coins right now trending here. Okay, community is supporting this meme coin, so I think these meme coins have potential to be the next 100 to maybe 500 or maybe 1000x potential meme coins here. But this video is not any financial advice video. If you want to invest in these meme coins, make sure to do your own research and then invest here.